Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue class 10 science. This is life processes unit test paper 3. So let us solve this paper now. So the first question of unit test paper 3 is the plant can get rid of excess water by this process. So among these four options, the right option is transpiration. So the plant can get rid of excess water by a process called transpiration. So for the first question, the right option is option B. Option B, that is transpiration. So transpiration is the right answer. Now let us move for question number 2. In the question number 2, they have given the process that helps in the absorption of upward movement of water and mineral dissolved in it from roots to the leaves in plants is called photosynthesis, translocation, respiration, and transpiration. So among these four options, the right option is, again, the answer is transpiration, because the process that helps in the absorption of upward movement of water and mineral dissolved in it from roots to the leaves is, again, it is actually called as transpiration pull. For second also, the right answer is transpiration. Now let us move for question number 2. Second main question number 3. So what is translocation? So translocation is defined as the process of transport of soluble product of photosynthesis. Now let us move for question number 4. Define nephron. So nephron is defined as the structural and functional unit of kidney. The structural and functional unit of kidney is called as nephron. Now let us move for question number 5. So what are glomerulus? So glomerulus are the network of blood capillaries. The network of blood capillaries. Glomerulus are the network of blood capillaries found in nephron. Now let us move for question number 36. Third main, explain the process of transportation of substance in phloem. So let us explain how transportation will take place in phloem. So the first point is the food prepared in the leaves will be in the form of sucrose, full stop, by using some ATP of energy. Food moves into companion cells. Second point, from companion cells. So in short, I will write CC. CC means companion cells. The food flows to From companion cells, the food flows to sieve tubes, at the same time it flows at the same time water flows from xylem tissue. At the same time water flows from xylem. Due to more concentration, the food flows to lower concentration region till it reaches roots. Like that the food will move both in upward. Illi example ನಾವು root ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, from leaves to root ಅಂತ. So it moves in upward direction also. So ಈ ರೀತಿ food transport ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So now let us move for question number 7. In the question number 7 they have given, write the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So let us differentiate between, one is aerobic respiration, another one is anaerobic respiration. So let us differentiate between aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic, it takes place in presence of oxygen. Anaerobic, it takes place in absence of oxygen. Then second point, it takes place in cytoplasm and mitochondria. It takes place in cytoplasm and mitochondria. It takes place only in cytoplasm. Then aerobic. So aerobic respiration, more energy is released. Anaerobic respiration, less energy is released. And the last point is, the fourth point is, the end products are carbon dioxide and water. The end products are carbon dioxide and ethanol. So like this we have to differentiate between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Now let us move for question number question number 8. So in the question number 8 they have given write the function of salivary amylase. So let us write the function of salivary amylase. The first function of salivary amylase is it kills harmful microorganisms. First point. Second point is it converts starch into glucose. It converts starch into glucose. Then the third one, it moists the food. So it will moist the food. So these are the functions of salivary amylase. Now let us move for fourth main, that is question number 9. In the question number 9 they have given explain the function of small intestine in digestion of food. So let us explain the digestion of food now. So first point, food from stomach. Food from stomach reaches the duodenum of the small intestine. Duodenum of small intestine. Second point, the duodenum is connected to, one is gallbladder. Duodenum is connected to gallbladder, which receives bile juice, and helps in digestion of, which receives bile juice and helps in digestion of fats. Full stop. It receives three types of enzymes from the pancreatic juice, which is secreted by pancreas. The three types of enzymes are, one is trypsin. It acts in alkaline medium. Trypsin. Second one is called as pancreatic amylase. It helps in digestion of carbohydrates. This trypsin, it digests proteins. Pancreatic amylase helps in digestion of carbohydrates. Next, pancreatic lipase. Then the third enzyme is pancreatic lipase. It helps in digestion of fats. Then jejunum. The second part of small intestine is called jejunum. It has a finger-like projection called villi. The function of villi is it helps to move digested food. Into blood, and it increases the area of absorption of digested food. Then the third part is called ileum. It carries undigested food. It carry undigested food to large intestine. This is how the small intestine will function. Now let us move for the 10th question. Which are the factors essential for photosynthesis? Mention the events that occur during this process and represent this process by balanced chemical equation. So let us answer this question now. So what are this is 10th question. First sub question is, what are the factors essential for photosynthesis? For the photosynthesis, so sunlight is required, chlorophyll is required, then carbon dioxide is required, and along with the carbon dioxide, water and minerals are required. Then mention the events that occur during photosynthesis. The first event is absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll. Second one, conversion of light energy into chemical energy and splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen. And the third event is, that is reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. So these are the events that occur during photosynthesis. Now let us write the balanced chemical equation. 6CO2 plus 12H2O give rise to C6H12O6. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 6 ಇದೆ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 6 ಆಯಿತು. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ 24 ಇದೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಅದು 24 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ that is let us write. So what is the byproduct? 6O2 is the byproduct. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12, 24. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ 6 ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಆಯಿತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಆಯಿತು, 18 ಆಯಿತು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 6H2O. ನಾವು ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ 6, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 2s are 12, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 24 ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಇದೆ, 12 plus 6 it will become 20, 12 plus 6 18 plus 6 24. So this is the balanced equation for photosynthesis. C6H12, 6CO2 plus 12H2O give rise to C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. So this is the balanced equation for photosynthesis.